Match the following. BF4 minus. BF4 minus oxidation state of central atom is +4. No, here oxidation number of central atom is +3. So answer cannot be A. It cannot start from A. Look at options now. So answer cannot be second one, right? Because if it is starts from A, answer should be second one, but now this is not possible. Let's check whether it is E, tetrahedral in shape. The central atom here, that is B, and 4 fluorine atoms are there and 1 electron is there. Therefore, it should be sp3 hybridized, and sp3 hybridized means tetrahedral in geometry. If it is tetrahedral in geometry, answers may be first one or maybe fourth one. Only two options left and answer cannot be third one now. Next, look at C. Look at the second one, AlCl3. AlCl3 means Lewis acid. You know, the central atom aluminum, it contains incompletely or vacant d orbital and can attract lone pair electron, and hence it acts as Lewis acid. Therefore, for the second one, answer should be C. It looks like correct. Therefore, the right answer for this question, that is option first one. You may check it later. For the third one, stannous oxide, it is can be further oxidized. You know, oxidation number +2 here. The +4 oxidation state, that is stable. Therefore, it can further oxidize it. And PbO2 means oxidation state here +4. It looks like correct, and strong oxidizing agent because in its maximum oxidation state +4 and stable form of lead, that is +2. Therefore, tendency to reduce itself, therefore can be used as the oxidizing agent. Therefore, for the fourth one, options A as well as B looks like correct. Therefore, the right answer for question number 27, it is first one.